So hello students, see the topic inequalities in a triangle. Okay, so here you see, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. Okay, the angle opposite to longer side is larger. Here you see this, the length of AB is 4 centimeter and length of AC, this AC is 5.5 centimeter. So AC is greater than AB. Okay, so the opposite angle, since this AC is greater side, so its opposite angle is this one, angle B. Okay, so the angle opposite to longer side is larger. Okay, so this angle B greater than angle C, that is the angle opposite to longer side is larger. Now here you see, in any triangle the side opposite to larger or greater angle is longer. Here you see this angle is greater than this angle, that is angle B is greater than angle C. Therefore its opposite side, that is this AC, will be greater than AB. Okay, that is the side opposite to greater angle is longer. Okay, the side opposite to the larger or greater angle is longer. This is the larger angle. Okay, therefore this opposite side is it's this one, this AC side. Okay, so AC is greater than AB. Now see this 3 number, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Here you see, let AB equal to 4 centimeter, AC equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 7 centimeter. So here you see this AB plus AC, AB plus AC, that is 4 plus 6 equal to 10, and this 10 is always greater than this AB plus AC is 10 centimeter, so it is greater than BC. BC is 7. Okay, again you can see the sum of these two sides, AB plus BC. AB plus BC is 4 plus 7, 11. It is greater than AC, that is okay. So the sum of any two side of a triangle, the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now see, show that in a right angled triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, so this, in this figure, this angle B is 90 degree. Okay, this angle B is 90 degree, that is it is right angled, and we have to prove that the hypotenuse, that is this AC, hypotenuse AC is greater than AB, and AC is also greater than BC. Okay, we have to prove this one. So for this, let ABC be a right angle triangle in which angle B equal to 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle A plus angle C will, angle A plus angle C, angle A plus angle C will be 90 degree. Okay, from angle sum property. Why? Because angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and here angle, this angle B you can take in right hand side, so we can write angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree minus angle B, and 180 degree minus angle B is 90 degree. Therefore angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree we got. Okay, so angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. Therefore from this two, that is angle B equal to 90 degree and angle A plus angle C also 90 degree. Therefore we can equate this equation. we can write angle B equal to angle A plus angle C. Okay, therefore from this we can also write angle B greater than angle A, and angle B is also greater than angle C. Okay, and if angle B is greater than angle A, that is their opposite side, that is this angle B is greater than angle A, therefore opposite side AC will be greater than this BC. Similarly, you can write this one, if angle B is greater than angle C, therefore opposite side, that is AC, greater than AB. Okay, the side opposite to greater angle is longer, therefore from these two we can write AC is the longest side. Okay.